Right, question 17. The area of a right angle triangle drawn below is one of these answers here, so we've got to circle it. Now, in this triangle, they've given us 3 measurements, okay, but we only actually need 2 when it comes to the area. So you need to remember this formula, base times height divided by 2, okay, and the base and the height have to be at right angles to each other, okay, and that's important because when you work out the height of something, you always go sort of perpendicular to the ground, don't you? You know, you wouldn't measure the height on like a slant. So you need to look for two sides that are at right angles to each other. Okay, it's important to look for that because sometimes the triangle can be rotated round. You still look for 2 sides that are perpendicular to each other, not this one here. So these two are that's the base, that's the height. So 24 times 10, okay, and then you've got to halve it. Now 24 times 10 is 240, add a 0, divide by 2 then is going to be 120, so it's going to be that one there. B then, it says the value of x in the triangle below is, now, algebra here, okay, but we know with algebra we can add these angles up, okay, so 5x, add 3x, add x, okay. When you add those angles up, we know in a triangle it equals 180 degrees, okay, we know the angles add up to 180, so you can add these together. And if you put these together here, that becomes 9x, doesn't it? Okay, so just like you would add angles together, here we're just adding letters together. So that's 9x is 180. So that means then x will equal, because you've got 9 times x in effect, that'll be 180 divided by 9. So x will equal 20 degrees. Okay, and then the last one then, part C, the volume of the cuboid shown below is, well, to work out the volume, don't forget, of a cuboid, it's just length times width times height times the 3 dimensions together. So that'll be 5 times 3 times 2. It doesn't matter what order you times them in, but when you work that out, 5 times 3 is 15, and then times the 2 is 30. Okay, so that's the one we want there. Meters cubed, of course, are the units for volume.